My people, wonder shall never end. Oh, things really happen for this election, oh my people. This one, so when I carry come, this one happen in Agbo Ikao, my people. No be small thing, no. Peter Obi really win this election, oh. No be small matter, oh. No be by structure, oh. No be by structure at all. Make una come see wetin they discover. Waiting all these INEC people do. They control away Labour Party ballot. They throw and put for inside bush, my people. They bundle and put for inside bush. Now, good Samaritan people, innocent people, now they discover them. They come stand for inside bush where they dumped Labour Party ballot. My people, things they happen. May not come be say I too talk. Make una watch this video.
The thumbprints are all there. Labour Party.
All this is for Labour Party.
Yeah, Labour Party. See all, because there's no Labour Party. No Labour Party agent can do this. This was seen in the bush in Emohu, along the express. The woman went to the farm and she saw this and she brought it to our notice and we got it from her. So if you can see this, you see these are all Labour Party intercepted.
Which one?
It's a clear evidence that these are
this, all these you can see this. All Labour Party completed and they were thrown into the bush. These were supposed to be in the ballot box, but they were found in the bush.
all Labour Party.
Yes, I thought it wise to bring it here so the press can see. You can see this. If you count it, they are running into hundreds. I think this is a clear evidence of what is going on. From what I say, this came from a cannot. Look at this. Yeah, all this came from a cannot. I just threw it away. Okay. So if you see this, running into hundreds. Thank you and God bless. You just begin to roll it and you see. Yes, roll it and see.
Look at.
I won't go join the meeting. Yes, now people are there already. So I just think we can bring this one to our notice.
Look at.
So if this should be in the meeting, in case they need them, maybe
This is
one of us will hold them, we'll still bring them out.
no. Our principal will hold it.
Yeah, it's an evidence.
Yes, I think our principal will hold it.
Yeah, these were for
Okay,
Senate,
hold it.
and it's a sign that so many things actually went on. Do your work. Leave this one. Leave it to the surface.
You can bring him with you too. We're going to perform, right?
We are having a meeting here.
After your meeting, come.
What time is the one?
How many? Can we count the number? Okay.
You are counting
Please,
already, right?
let's count. Counting.
They are desperate, very desperate.
Yeah, they're very, very desperate. Yeah.
So you can see the ballot papers.
Ward 9
saw it in the
in
bush.
the castle.
You saw it in the bush. All
Ward 9 in the
completed.
castle.
All completed Labour Party. All Labour Party completed. This, I guess, belongs to a Kano East.
Yes, one of the bush in the car.
Yes, we saw it in the bush in the Kano East. You can see this, all completed Labour Party. They were all seen in the bush. So there's no way you can tell me somebody from a Labour Party agent will do this.
Even the agent will not have access to this.
The agent don't have access to this. Okay, you see this? They were all snatched from the polling unit and thrown into the bush. So I think this is an evidence, if I'm not wrong.
My people, sure, I don't watch the video. And I don't see what did they happen. They dumped them inside push. Not be so much. This obedient movement, really, they give them sleepless night, my people. Not be small something. Why did they fear? Person when they talk say it no get structure. Now they fear, they hide in result, they do everything, they even they throw one. Now inside bush, they for discover this one, oh, no be small thing, almost 100 and something votes. When people give out, that be this one, oh, they can't throw one, all of them are Labour Party. Things really they happen. Our governor, what it called they happen, oh, governor of Delta State. What it they happen? What is the meaning of all this? What it they happen? Person wanna say it no get structure. Hey, make una kukuma leave the person. May just the structure himself they go. As it no get structure, Nigeria say now this man now they want. They don't decide. Make una allow Nigeria be. Yes, may they choose. the leader. Make una not force another person, give them again, because they don't too suffer for that country. No money, no food, no water, no light, no good road, nothing. So una go just go there, go sit down for that seat. Una no do nothing. Una go just they tip the money by on herself. They do everything. Una go they enrich on herself. Una go just leave the poor masses. No, Nigeria say enough is enough. Say anybody, even listen and mock you, when come out for inside bush, they go vote for the person. Say they don't even need anything like structure. You get structure, you don't get structure. If you want to run presidency, come out. As far as say they like you, they see you say you go fit do the job. Yes. Move on. They go follow you. Not be by structure now. If on a check and now, anybody when do well for the country, if you get post for that country, you do well. Now you, they go follow. Now so Nigeria don't put them now. Not be by structure say, I get this one. Now me they control Lagos. Now me be Agberu of father of Lagos. Now me get main bridge. Now me do this one. Now me get this area. Now me get this port. Now me the lead here. Now me get structure. Now me be the baba. They said, no, make a enough is enough for all these things. They have to decide. They have to take back their country. They have to take back their future, their right. What's rightful belongs to them. Yes. Okay, my people. Now here now for leave. And I thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao, ciao, everyone. Bye bye. Make una not forget to share this video, my people.